everyone, my name is Conchita. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. And the recipe that I have for you today is banana water. This water is so delicious and very easy to make. We need water. You need 4 bananas. Make sure the bananas are ripe. If they are brown like this, it's better because it gives the water a better flavor. They're perfect for baking and to make this type of water. A lot of people like to throw them away when they see them like this, but don't do that. Just make some banana water. And we have cinnamon here, but this is optional. You don't have to use it if you don't want to, but I like to use it because it gives the water a really good flavor. We are going to start by blending the bananas. And now I am adding 4 cups of water. The total is 6, but I am adding only 4 at this time. And now I am adding the rest of the water and also the rest of the ingredients. The complete recipe will be under the description box below. And now we mix everything together. And now it's time to add the cinnamon. And we mix again. And here it is, guys. This is the final product. I hope you guys really like this video. I want to thank you so much for spending some time with me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Adios.